Welcome to Asim Carefully subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about absolute value of a number in Python. Let's say we have a negative number and we want to return the absolute value of that number. We can use the abs function. The Python's abs function is used to return the absolute value of any number, including positive, negative, and complex numbers. So we are going to uh, use a list of absolute numbers from a list of numbers that have a negative and positive number, and we are going to use the list comprehension. So let's try it. So we are going to have our list. So this will be my list minus 9 minus 6 and minus 30 and 10 positive value also, minus 15 and then we are going to use print to print out, and we are going to use list comprehension, and we are going to use abs function, and we are going to pass in our list and get the item in from our list. So this will be each n or n in my list. Now we can run our script. So now we have absolute numbers from our list of numbers. We can also use abs function on floating number, and it will return the absolute value. Let's try that. So that will be some value x value set to minus 28.90, and then we're just gonna print that, pass in abs and pass in our x. We can also use it on a complex number. It returns the magnitude of that number. So let's try that too. See, set two values such as 5 plus 3j, and we're just gonna print, pass in abs, and we are going to pass in our complex number, and we're just going to run our script. And here is the output of our floating point number and our complex number. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asim Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you.